good, y'all? This is Bino99, and for starters, I'm back like I never left. And today I am going to be reviewing a pair that I got from a company that reminds me. So like I said, company here from a personal gifted pair that I got. But again, I don't know what this is. It could be anything. So why don't we dive into that? And of course, you already know. Of course, we got the double packaging, so you know it won't mess your boy's box up, as you can see. Sorry if I turn my head sideways. I just got a message from another person, but I'll answer him later. And now, here comes the moment of unwrapping. Oh, another pair of Air Jordan 1's. Let's go, man. Yo, oh man. I just feel so happy today, like literally another pair of Air Jordan 1's. Not like in my, they're awesome and they're amazing actually. But this one, I don't know exactly what's inside this box. It could be the Volt ones, it could be basically it could be another Jordan that I don't have in my collection, which I'm still racking up on. Oh, my bad for the math. Number 6. So number 6, as you can see, the box is kind of beat up on the way from the travel. Of course, they did the best they can for your boy, but it's not it's not bad, but it's okay. It's alright. So let's look inside of it. Oh my gosh, yo, man, yo. Oh my gosh. So I have the Hyper Royal 1's, and damn man, looks like I got it early. There's other options to get it, my brothers. So let me dive into this shoe before I tell you how to. So this shoe is set to premiere on April 17th at the retail of $170. Sort of sand dust blue suede, almost kind of remind me of like washed denim jeans that you can buy typically anywhere on stores. I don't care, but let me not get off topic. So like I said, it has that type of sand dust material. Even if you rub it off, you'll still see some of the pieces on your fingertips, which at times annoying whenever you're thinking from time to time. It also has that soft material. It reminds me of the neutral grays. If you think about it, the 1985 neutral grays, the one that just recently came out. You take away this beautiful washed denim, it'll just be typically a neutral gray, but more of a darker color sense. Yeah, this is just wonderful. This shoe that, again, just did a fantastic job on getting me these early releases, man. Just want to thank y'all for letting me get this. A little quick B-roll right here too. Like, wreck, man. It looks like, to me, it looks like a secondary North Carolina colorway, you know? I can't really explain it, but it really does look like this. Like, if I'm wrong, just put it in the comment section below that I'm wrong. It looks like something else. But if I'm right, you have to know this kind of looks like an alternative form of the UNC's, basically. Like, I couldn't argue. I mean, you could argue with me on that one, but hey, if I lose this opinion, I lose. But in my opinion, it looks like another version of the UNC ones. Like, this is absolutely believable, amazing. Like, I don't know what to say, but it's just too sexy. This shoe is really sexy. Like, I feel like someone will go blind instantly. Just kidding, nah. But yeah, I just love this shoe in general. There's no flaws behind it. Everything looks good. Even the insole looks good as well too. Comes with the sticker, size 11, shoe tree on point. Everything looks good. And now the next part is the black light, to see if there's like this on, you know, option B's or B grade shoes will always have stuff like this with defects, which is normal. Some people send it back, some people just keep them for personal uses, whatever. But for your boy Bino, we keep them for the toe. You feel me? So now, when I use this black light, and again, if you wanna be a sneakerhead or a sneaker enthusiast, always get a black light to check to see if there's any flaws. Retails have flaws, B grades have flaws. So they're not different, they're just the same, but just most likely labels to it. Everything has a label. That's the only personal uses in the sneaker culture. Everything has a label to it. So now we're gonna get to this black light view. So I'm gonna turn on, I'm not gonna turn it up, but I'm gonna lower my light a little bit. All right, so we got the black light on. Yeah, there you go. So as you can see right here, there's nothing on here really, but everything looks pretty good, and everything is on point. Like, yo, y'all did a really good job on this shoe. And let's check on the bottom. Like, there's nothing, but yeah, they did a really good job with this shoe, man. Like, honestly, this shoe stole the words right out of my mouth. I'm happy that I got a pair of Hyper Royals. Early releases, because again, I wear my shoes for the toe. Shoes are like people. People have flaws, shoes has flaws. Sorry for the confusion. We have flaws, shoes have flaws. Again, all right? So we're 1 and 1. Like they say in quality products, 1 and 1. But other than that, man, I just love this shoe. It's amazing, it's dope. Can't wait to wear them, you know? But not early, but I'll just wait when the time is better, you know? Like, just wait around then. You know what I'm saying? Because if you do that, people will be like, oh, what the fuck are those? Are those fake? Are those real? Like, how'd you get them? They don't even come out yet, bro. How did you get them shits? Simple. StockX has them. GOAT has them. So what do you expect? I mean, hey, you have to like know what you're getting into, or better yet, you just have to be smart. But enough talk, enough chit chat. Let's get to this on foot review. Let's go.